Welcome to the project demonstration of women safety implementation using GSM and GPS. And whenever the woman or the person who wearing this watch pressing this button, then the system will send the live location to the predefined mobile phone along with the location values which will get from the GPS, and SMS will be sent from the GSM. So here we are using A6 GSM model which can be accessed from 2G, 3G, 4G SIM cards, and also we are providing the battery power operated. So here we need to connect micro USB, the BUSB to charge this battery, and it has a inbuilt like boost converter which can boost the voltage from 3.7 to 5 volts. And here we need to insert the SIM card. So here the SIM card slot, right, okay, and in that we need to insert any SIM card which should be other than Jio. You can use the VI or Airtel or BSNL. And next, after inserting the SIM card and keep the battery fully charged, and then after we have the GSM modem and GPS. And main thing is we need to demonstrate this project under the sky view, then only we will get the exact location from the satellite vision. So this is the on off switch. So now I'm switched on the kit, and now we can see that the system will initializing properly. So for every operation there will be a one light indication on the Arduino Nano board, so it blinks, so it's indicated as the system got fully charging and it's working now. So it's a heartbeat of our kit. And whenever the GPS get the satellite vision, then we will get the blue light indication on this GPS module. So wait for the satellite vision as we have switched on the kit now itself. As we can see that there will be a blue light indication previously. So whenever we get the satellite vision perfectly, then it will blinks the blue lights, and then we'll get the exact location. Otherwise we'll get the 00. So then the person has to press the switch. Right, we can see the blue light is blinking now. So then the light is blinks for continuously on, and then we can get a right. And when we click on this, so it's exactly where we are now. Right, okay, though the mobile phone GPS is showing wrong value, but we are at the inside the building only. So in this manner we'll get live tracking. So coming to the connections, the GPS is interfaced at second pin of our Arduino Nano, and GSM modem interface at 8 and 9 pins. So 8 pin is the receiver for the Nano from the GSM, and 9 pin is transmitter from Nano to the GSM. And push button we have interface at 10th pin of our Nano board with pull up resistance of 10 kilo ohm. I'm coming to this battery ratings. We are using 300 milliamps battery which is of 3.7 volts, and these two are we are using two batteries. So each battery of 3.7 300 milliamps. So these two batteries are contained parallel. We will get 600 milliamps of power, so it can work up to 4 to 5 hours continuously for one full charge. And in real time product we can make it as very simpler as much as for portable purpose. Right, thank you.